YouTube. Welcome back to my little video channel. I do apologise, it's been 2 months since I made my last video. I did download a little video this earlier about my bike being stood for 2 months, been away, finally moved back home today. Well, moved back into my place, and bear in mind, never had it on battery trickle charge or anything. It was like a plonker, I forgot to connect it up. But as you see on that video, I was gobsmacked, the battery was fine. And the little beastie started first time. Happy days, as I say. Now this is the first little ride out. It's going to take me time because the bike's been stood for such a long time. And yeah, so make sure the brakes and everything's working fine. Can't see being a problem really, because as you already kind of know, if you watch my videos before, I look after my bike. I'll tell you something, bloody feels great just to be back on a bike after 2 months stuck in a tin can car. Well, to be fair, the car come in handy actually, because of the weather was absolutely rubbish. Rained all the time. I'm just going to take my bike for a little ride, could give it a 10-mile blast. I've not even cleaned it, it's full of dust at the moment. I've not even checked the tyre pressures or anything. I was just so keen to get out, but they feel okay. Oh, what a joy, what a fantastic feeling just to get back on a bike again. Going back to what I was saying earlier, the bike started first time, just a little touch. I was very surprised really, because you know, normally the battery die after 2 months, don't they? But nah, this little Suzuki, it's fine. As I always say, it might not be the fastest thing in the world, but by God, it's bloody reliable. Well, since I've been away, there's been a few things gone off in my life, unfortunately, because I was going to get another bike a month ago. I got my eyes set on a Honda CBR 650F again, what I had before. Exactly the same colour and everything, but what it was, I went to work like you do every day, and on a Wednesday we got some bad news, unfortunately. They're going to make a lot of people redundant. So in that respect, I'm kind of glad I didn't go for another bike, because as I always say, this little 250 does everything what you need. And if I do lose my job, at least I know this little bike is fantastic on petrol. So, if worst comes to worst, the bike will be still cheap to run, because the cost is very cheap to run on this bike. So I'm kind of gutted in a lot of respect. I was going to get a bigger bike, but in a way, me not being at home, my place, it's probably saved me. As my good lady always says, things happen for a reason. By God, it's so good to get back on the bike. Hey, hey. Excuse me. Yeah, tyres feel okay actually. I will check it over tomorrow. But as you can see, the sun's out and we've got dry roads. Oh my God, amazing for England, UK. So I'm just taking this little opportunity to have a little ride round the block. I will speak properly. Yeah, so really am pleased I didn't get another bike, because they cost a fortune, these bigger bikes to run. Well, not a fortune, but they're nowhere near good as this little thing on petrol. Tyres, chain and sprockets, etc. all adds up when you're not working, but fingers crossed they will keep me. The worst thing about it is not knowing, but hey ho, as I say, whatever happens happens, I can't control it. God, it's not all feel good to be back on my bike though. Keep saying it, don't I? Oh, 2 months without riding, it's been torture. I'll never moan about this little bike being a bit slow. Well, it's not slow, it's still doing 90 miles an hour, but compared to what I've normally ride in the past. Well, I'm getting out now, as I always say, wiser. But we'll see what happens in the next few weeks. But for now, I don't care. I'm on my bike, I'm going to ride, and that's what matters. Tell you something though, the bike feels brilliant. I haven't missed a beat yet. I was a bit worried about the petrol as well. You know, this bloody E10 crap. You know what I mean? They say it's rubbish, and after a while it goes off, gunks up. I suppose being a fuel injected bike, I suppose it doesn't affect it like it would in the carburetors. I don't know. Yeah, she's running alright, she's pulling very good. Pulling very, very well. It's like it's never been stuck for 2 months. Butlins. Yeah, she's definitely running alright. She's pulling fine. In fact, slow down, you silly boy. Oh God, so good. It is so good to be back on my bike. As you probably can see, I'm trying my new jacket out first time. And it feels okay, very comfortable, but you know I got it on. Well, I did buy extra large because I like to wear a jacket or something underneath to keep you that extra warmth. But I haven't done that today. I'm just so keen, couldn't wait to get out. And today, the bikes, motorcycle riding, oh, just so much fun, just freedom. Oh God, I have missed it. I have missed it. I'm just hoping the day will never come where I have to give up riding bikes. Fingers crossed that will never happen, because I'll be a miserable man without a motorbike. Hey, I'd say 2 months and it's fine, feels great. Not missed the beat. I keep saying it's a slow bike, but compared to a car it's pretty nippy on acceleration. I'm getting to 60 a lot quicker than I care. Right, you can try. I'm rambling on now, aren't I? I'm just so happy to get back on my bike. Well, it's been a while since I've been down here. Well, it's been a while since I've been anywhere on my bike. I like these back roads. That's not a back road, but yeah. Well, at least my engine's nice and hot now, so I can open it up a bit when I get onto the main road. Feels good though. Feels so good. The bike actually feels really good. Feels tight. Saying it's 10-year-old nearly. Is it 10-year-old? Yeah, 10-year-old now, isn't it? Oh my God. Nothing rattles on it, nothing wobbles or shakes or vibrates, just a solid little bike. I do miss a powder. I'd be lying if I say I didn't, but I do. But after 2 months not riding, even this little 250 feels brilliant. Check the engine. Yeah, it's lovely, nice and hot now, Lois. Can open it up a little bit more now. Well, I normally stick to 60 anyway, because I'm a good boy now. He says. I am. I'm a good boy, honestly. And the brakes are not sticking at all. Yeah, feels great, feels fine, no sputtering, no holding back, straight to 6 miles an hour, no problem. I do apologise if the wind is a bit loud. Quite a windy day really, not terrible. Oh, it's so good to get back on the bike. Just chilling out, not caring the world. Fantastic. So much fun. Even just chilling out at 50 miles an hour, so much fun. You never get that feeling driving a car, do you? A bit of a headwind, not terrible, but I don't care. Just chilling out. Look at the weather, isn't it nice? To see a bit of sunshine for a change. Really nice. And dry road. Oh God, I can't believe it. I think it is the 1st of spring today, isn't it? Here in the UK. Quite warm actually. I think it's only about 8 Celsius, but yeah, still warm for England. Let's open it up a little bit. We'll take it to 60. Spread her legs a little bit. Yeah, she's fine. Not missing a beat or anything, just picks up really well for a little CC. Excuse me. Oh, that thing is. I like the tractors. Happy days. Oh, we've done 10 miles already. That will get everything spinning properly, as it should. It's been a while. I'll tell you something though, can't miss the beat. I am really surprised how well it's running. It's like it's never been stood for 2 months. But I suppose that's what you get when you buy Japanese, I suppose. Got no against other manufacturers though. Just I've always been a Japanese man person. So reliable, aren't they? Oh dear, 60 mile an hour. It feels quite quick actually compared to the car. You feel the speed, don't you, on the bike? That's what I like. The air, the fresh air. Oh yes. Oh yes, so good to get back on the old beastie. The little beastie. It never let me down though, since I've had it. Never let me down. Loves corners, not a problem. Just feels like a big bike. Right, it is quite heavy for a 250, but like I say, that's a good thing really. Might slow it down a tad. No. It's planted, bay planted. Oh, 30 mile an hour. Naughty boy, calm down. Calm down. Normally coppers around here. Oh, so good. So bloody good to be back on my bike. As you could probably tell with my voice, I'm very grateful to be back on a bike. People might think I'm crazy, just a 250, but it's a bike. It's just a motorbike end of the day. They're all the same end of the day. So how it makes you feel. What we got here? Oh, but we had a water leak then. Wow, the bike does handle really good. It's that little sweet spot, and it does actually move quite well once you open it up to about